Smith here, and today we're going to be doing a shoot at a very unlikely location. We are at Taco Bell, and the way this came about was I was sitting in the drive-thru and I noticed this field of flowers next to it, and I thought that that would make a really good location for a shoot and kind of prove that you just need to keep your eyes out for any place that might work good. So we're with a model today. This is Holly. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, I'm Holly at Holly Sees Stars on Instagram, Twitter, basically everything.
Everything? Okay,
Yeah.
Perfect. So you know how to find her. I'll link it in the description as well, so let's get to it. So let's just kind of creep on through here, and then we'll get you right there.
Okay. Hello.
Pretty nice flowers you got here.
Thank you. You're having a photo shoot or something?
Yeah, we're just doing a quick little shoot. Hopefully you don't mind.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, I know the corporate loves
either.
that kind of stuff, so.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, my settings are still set for studio. I'm way off. It's so overexposed. I want you to kind of lean back a little bit. Look over just a little. I know, just because of the lighting, I know it's a little bright, but since it's direct sunlight, it's gonna be a little harsh when you're not looking up towards it. The shadows are gonna be too harsh.
Right, okay.
So I need you to kind of tilt your head up a little bit, right there, and then just kind of if you close your eyes and then open, it's a little less bright. So just keep your eyes closed and kind of tilt your head up towards the sun and let them adjust. And then when I say open, open, okay? I actually need to I think I need to switch to the 50. I think this is too tight with this 85. So you want to see them?
Yeah, just to see. I like to see my expression.
So she's actually just placing flowers right now, and I'm just continuing to shoot because it actually looks kind of like someone's in the field kind of doing their hair or something like that, kind of maybe for a wedding or something. It's kind of candid looking. So it's very lifestyle-ish, and it works pretty well for what we're going for here. Alright, so I made a really good decision switching to the 50 because this is so tight as is, and if I was using the 85, there'd be no way to actually fit this in the frame. Alright, so go ahead and turn your top half towards me, just the shoulders, keep your lower half just like that. Perfect. Beautiful, eyes up. Alright, I think we're good.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's get out here before we annoy someone,
so
okay?
Fast. Okay.
Yeah, but we're gonna shoot some more in the studio, but we're done with this, okay? All right, you need help?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, awesome, high five. Got it done, sweet. All right, so let's get back to the car and head back to the studio.
All right, Nick. You want your lens cap, right?
Yes, I do. Can I leave it there?
Yep.
No way. Shit. Don't want to do that. Don't litter if you do a shoot like this. Fuck, these are beautiful. Take a look at that.
Holy shit.
Right?
Wow. Look at us go.
All right, so I think we're good.
Taco Bell. Success.
I'm so I can already tell I'm burning. I can
like
see.
you are.
I caught how red I was in someone's reflection.
It's
of their
been
car.
2 minutes. This
It
fucking
has
bad.
been.
We've literally not been out here very long.
No.
Now to Riri.